Assalamualaikum, dear learners. How are you today? I hope you are well. In our previous class, we introduced Ashish বিশ্বাস, a football player. Do you remember him? I hope you remember it. Today we will know Arun, a young cricketer. And our topic is Tales of two players 2, Unit 7, Lesson 2, page 73. Dear learners, do you sit on your study chair? Please sit on your study chair beside table. Take book, notebook and pen. Write down the title at your notebook. At first, we know the keywords. Practice, অনুশীলন, weightlifter, ভার উত্তোলনকারী, opportunity, সুযোগ, school compound, বিদ্যালয় প্রাঙ্গণ. Now, let's start. Ashish and Arun are two players. Ashish এবং Arun দুজন খেলোয়াড়. I have known them from a long time. আমি তাদের অনেক দিন ধরে চিনি. They are both very close to my family. তারা উভয়ে আমার পরিবারের ঘনিষ্ঠ. Ashish is from a village. Ashish গ্রাম থেকে এসেছে. Arun lives in a small town. Arun একটি ছোট শহরে বাস করে. Ashish plays football. Ashish ফুটবল খেলে. He doesn't play tennis. সে টেনিস খেলে না. Arun practices cricket but he loves athletics as well. Arun ক্রিকেট অনুশীলন করে কিন্তু সে অ্যাথলেটিক্সও ভালোবাসে. Arun goes to a local school. Arun একটি স্থানীয় স্কুলে যায়. He has opportunities to practice in his school compound. তার স্কুল প্রাঙ্গণে প্র্যাকটিস করার সুযোগ আছে. Arun practices in his club field. Ashish has one brother. Ashishের একজন ভাই আছে. His name is Abir. তার নাম আবির. He is a weightlifter. সে একজন ভার উত্তোলনকারী. Arun has no brother. অরুণের কোনো ভাই নাই. He has a sister. তার একজন বোন আছে. Her name is Apola. তার নাম অপোলা. She doesn't like cricket. সে ক্রিকেট পছন্দ করে না. She is a swimmer. সে একজন সাঁতারু. Now dear students, after completing this text, we can summarize it in this way. Write down the summary. Write down the summary. Ashish and are two players but there are some differences between them. Ashish is from a village. Arun lives in a small town. Ashish is a football Where they are. But Arun is a cricket is a cricketer. Brother has no brother. He has a sister. In this way, whenever you read something, you try to summarize it in your own language. Now, dear learners, we know the meaning of some words. Dear student, the word meaning. Know. The word is a verb, means to have information about someone or something. That means কোনো কিছু এবং কারো সম্পর্কে তথ্য জানা বা কাউকে জানা. Next, close to means not far from someone or something. That means কারো এবং কোনো কিছু থেকে দূরে নয় বা নিকটস্থ বা ঘনিষ্ঠ. Athletics, it's a noun. Physical exercise and competitive sports. Physical exercise and competitive sports, especially running and jumping. That means শরীর চর্চা অথবা শরীর চর্চা এবং প্রতিযোগিতামূলক খেলাধুলা, বিশেষত দৌড় আর লাফানো. Athletics means physical exercise and competitive sports, especially running and jumping. Then the word swimmer. You know, swimmer is one who swims. মানে যে সাঁতার কাটে. Opportunity means a favorable time, occasion and circumstances for doing something. That means উপযুক্ত সময়, সুযোগ এবং পারিপার্শ্বিক অবস্থা কোনো কিছু করার জন্য বা কোনো কিছু করার জন্য উপযুক্ত সময়, সুযোগ এবং পারিপার্শ্বিক অবস্থা. নেক্সট, ওয়েট লিফটার, ভার উত্তোলনকারী. That means one who raises weight. Dear learners, you know the meanings of the words and memorize it. You can write it at home. Now, dear student, we learn how to write some question and answer from this text. Okay? Now write the question first. Where does Arun lives? Where does Arun live? Try to answer this question. Yes, I know you all can do this. The answer is Arun lives in a small town. If I ask the same question about Ashish, what can I say? I can say, where is from Ashish? And the answer is same. Ashish is from a village. I do not write this question. I write another one. This is what are Ashish and Arun? Answer: Ashish and Arun Arun are players. Question C. Who is Abi? And what does he do? Answer: Abi is Ashish's brother. And stop দিয়ে দেই এখানে। He is a weightlifter. In this way, if I asked you who is Apollo, you will say Apollo is a sister of Arun's. What does she do? She is a swimmer. Okay, dear learners, in this way you write some questions and answer, and I think you will be able to write short questions and answer in this way. ডাকতেছে নাকি? Now, dear students, open your book, page number 73, and look at the bottom of the page. You see exercise D. Read the exercise D. Do you remember Ashish Biswas, the footballer in your previous lesson? Here is an interview with him. তোমরা কি আশিস বিশ্বাস ফুটবলারের সাথে ফুটবলার মনে আছে? আশিস বিশ্বাস যে একজন ফুটবলার, তোমাদের কি তা মনে আছে? Here is an interview with him. এখানে একটি সাক্ষাৎকার আছে তার সাথে। Complete the questions. Use the verbs in the bracket. Look the page 74. Here you have to use verbs clearly. One is done for you. Interviewer, সাক্ষাৎকার গ্রহণকারী. Do you practice on Friday and Saturday? Ashish বলছে, no, I don't. That's my weekend. In this way, you have to complete the sentences with the verb do. Next, what do you do on Fridays? Interviewer বলছে আশিসকে, what do you do on Fridays? আশিস বলছে, I go to my village home. Dear learners, this is your homework. You have to do this at home. When school will open, I will see this homework. Okay, that's all today. Thank you. Goodbye.